Heavy rains last week caused houses to collapse and triggered landslides in more than 70 counties and cities in Shanxi province. The flooding comes less than 3 months after extreme rains in Henan province left more than 300 dead. In neighboring Hebei province, a bus fell into a flooded river. State media said 3 people had died, and 11 of the 51 on board were missing. In Shanxi, China's Meteorological Administration also told local media that heavy and prolonged rainfall and storms had hampered rescue efforts. More than 120,000 people were immediately moved and relocated, and 17,000 houses collapsed across Shanxi province, authorities told the Xinhua news agency. 4 police officers died in the landslide, according to the state-run Global Times, although information on other victims has not been released. The Shanxi floods may be worse than the floods in Henan earlier this year.